What are you eating? Hi, baby. Is that a cinnamon roll? Is it good? Mmm. Mmm. Waving? Blow kisses? Good job. Thank you. Oh, that's nice, Hayden. Good job. Is that yummy? Mmm. Yeah. Hi. Hey, you. Oh. What? Yum, yum. Are those the cinnamon rolls that Uncle Steve and Gwendolyn gave us? Oh, really? They are good, huh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.